Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to sell your Worldcoin on MetaMask. Let's begin. First, open your browser, it could be Chrome or Firefox, and head over to this website, portfolio.metamask.io. Log into your accounts. Then once you are on your dashboard, I want you to click on this tab over here, Sell. Okay, left click on it. Once you're here, choose your region and currency. For the currency, I will use US dollar. And over here, you can left click and choose your appropriate country. Okay. Next, pick your payment method such as bank transfers or card. Options depend on your region. Then you can enter the amounts of WorldCoin you would like to sell. Okay, so you can just type over here, for example, 100. And next, you will see how much fiat you will receive in return. When you're ready, click continue with the ramp network to move forward. Now, they might ask for some ID verification before the transaction goes through. Just follow the prompts, upload your ID if required, and confirm the sale. Once completed, the funds will be transferred to your selected payment method. Keep in mind that WorldCoin isn't supported in all regions. So if you don't see it listed here, it might not be available where you live currently. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.